Hey guys, Mary Conrad here. I just lost 4.1% body fat with Creechay's 28-day sugar-free challenge. Part of this challenge was following a diet plan that he assisted us with. Hardest part for me was getting rid of the coffee, getting sugar out. Easiest part was the meals. Absolutely loved the clean eating. I still follow it. I have my favorites is the chicken avocado salad. I also love the sweet potato quiche. In this quiche you can put all of your fresh vegetables that you love. Grocery shopping is also a good thing that I've found out to be easier. I do find myself around most of my stuff on the outside of the grocery store. I don't go to the inside where the aisles are, where you get most of your processed stuff anymore. My kids still like that stuff. Unfortunately, I'm getting them more turned on to the fresher vegetables. I think the hardest part I'm still trying to conquer, and that is making myself realize that I need to stay with this. I have had a few days where I've slacked off. I'll admit it. I feel awful those days. Every day that I follow this plan like I'm supposed to, drinking my water, eating my fresh fruit, eating my fresh vegetables, my fresh meats, I feel better. I've got more energy. And when I don't follow, I lose my energy. I don't sleep as good. Honestly, I feel pretty crappy. So it's a challenge. I did it. I won it. And come on, he's got more coming. Let's do one.
Yeah, we got one coming up again this Friday. So every 6 weeks or so, 6 to 8 weeks, we start a new challenge. Let's see, what's the final words of advice do you give to anybody, not just wanting to join our challenge or any fitness program at all?
Do it. I've been working out with Cree for over a year now. He keeps talking about the challenge and talking about the challenge. I thought, no, I'm not doing it. I'll never win. I can't do it. I don't want to do it. I don't have the time. I can't get it done. This is the first challenge I've tried, and it was easier than I thought, just because it was something I wanted to do. I wanted to prove to myself I can do it. I'm gonna do it, and I did.
There you go. That's it. High five.